I welcome you all to this lesson, even as we look at this past paper question that is falling under waves light. And the question reads, a ray of light travels from air into water at an angle of 40 degrees between normal and incident ray. If this ray produces an angle of refraction of 29 degrees, calculate the refractive index. This is the first question. Secondly, we are told to calculate the critical angle of water. How can you answer this question? Before I answer this question, if this is your first time to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. So the way in which we are going to answer this question, we are going to interpret the data that is given. So I'm going to do this. So this is your normal ray. This is our normal ray. Then we've got this is the boundary. We've got this is our boundary. So now we've got an incident ray. This one is called an incident ray. We've got an incident ray like that. And the question is saying an angle of 40 degrees. If we go back to the question is saying an angle of 40 degrees between the normal and the incident ray. So you know that this is the normal, and this is the incident ray. So an angle is there, which is 40 degrees, like that. That is 40 degrees. And an angle of refraction, which is 29. So where is an angle of refraction located? We are just going to do this. So I'll do this. So it is there like this. And there, if we are saying that is 29 degrees. So an angle that is there, that is 29 degrees between the normal ray and the refracted ray. So this is the normal ray, this is the refracted ray. So now, the first question, the first part of this question is where we are told to find the refracted index. So the formula for refracted index is this one, where we say N is equal to sine of incidence, angle of incidence, over sine of angle of refraction. This is the formula we are going to use, where we are going to say this is equal to, I will say sine, what is sine? Angle of incidence, which is 40, over what is sine angle of refraction, that is 29, like that. Then I say this is equal to, so what answer am I getting there if I do the substitution? So I say sine 40. What is the answer? The answer that I'm going to get, the answer will be 0.64278. The answer is just going like that. Then I say over, what is sine 29? So I say sine 29. Sine 29, the answer that I'm getting is 0.4848. I can end there. So finally, if I divide there, what answer am I getting? Then finally, I say therefore, the refractive index is now equal to, I say 0.64278 divide 0.48480. What is the answer? The answer that I'm getting is 1.325. I can round off to 2 decimal places where this one becomes a 3. So the answer would be 3. So this is my answer. This is the refractive index of this question. This is what you need to do. So refractive index of what? Of water. We know that we are talking about water. So if you try to go through the notes, you discover that this is the same refractive index that was given. Then we go to the next part of the question, which is saying critical angle of water. So the critical angle of water, what are we supposed to do? We know that critical angle, this is the particular angle of an incident ray. And the formula that we get to use each time we want to calculate the critical angle, we say critical angle is equal to sine inverse of 1 over refractive index. This is the formula that we get to use. So then you just do the substitution. So let me substitute here. So I'll say this is now equal to sine inverse of 1 over 1 point, the n, that is the refractive index. So you cannot find the critical angle without the refractive index. Then finally, what is your answer? So you can punch this all together on the calculator if you want. Say shift, then sign like that, open bracket, 1 over, so 1 over 1.33 cross bracket. What answer are you getting? You are going to get 48.7534666, just going like that, where you can now therefore, so therefore the critical angle is equal to, if you round off to the nearest whole number, you get 49 degrees. So these are the answers. This is what you need to do. So this is the refractive index of water. This is the critical angle of water. So I've answered these two questions, and each question was carrying 2 marks, 2 marks each. These are questions that you can't afford to miss even in an exam. So now I want you to get this number. If you want tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics, online tuitions, I do offer intensive online tuitions. You can WhatsApp me on this number just now. You can WhatsApp me on this number just now. I'll be able to help you get a distinction in science and mathematics. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.